Hi guys, welcome to another video on the delivery leader. Today we're going to look at the 6 C's of AI, and this refers to the 6 ways we apply AI when it comes to the workplace. My name is Dr. Tio Betse. I'm the author of the AI Enabled Project Manager, and we'll explore this framework today to understand AI's role in various areas and how we apply them when it comes to the 6C framework. Let's get straight into it. Now, we know that AI is everywhere, it's pervasive. So, where do organizations start from? How do they apply AI? From obviously new applications that are launching weekly, there's a lot of tool overload. There's, of course, the hype and versus the reality. And there's currently no mental model. And without a mental model, decisions could seem random. What is the solution? Understanding the 6C framework with these 6 categories to classify every AI use case is important because that gives you an opportunity to understand where things would actually sit. So let's look at this 6C framework and see how that works. So, with the 6C framework, it outlines 6 key areas where AI integrates into your work: creation, curation, clarification, cognition, communication, and coordination. Now, when it comes to creation, it's about making something new, like text, images, and code. When it comes to curation, it's about sorting, filtering, ranking, and recommending. And of course, clarification is where AI helps with explaining, simplifying, and answering questions. AI could also help with cognition, that is reasoning, deciding, as well as predicting. And of course, communication. So AI could help with translation, summarization, and transcription. It could transcribe as well. And of course, the last C will be coordination, which is where AI looks at orchestrating workflows and agents. And of course, definitely AI can do that. So AI can do quite a number of things. We're going to look at them one after the other, starting from the first one, which is creation. So, starting with creation, AI can generate new content from a prompt or a brief. And this has been common in terms of how people use AI in the workplace. Of course, it's not retrieved from a database, but it's shaped by your instructions, which is the prompt. You'd see it in drafting reports, in generating visuals, and writing code. For likes of like project managers, they can use it for first drafts of their artifacts, ensuring their judgment refines the final output. So from drafting a project charter or status reports, generating visuals, writing first pass code using or SQL queries, or producing sort of marketing copies of scripts, social posts, etc., AI can help with creation, and that is the first thing. Let's move to the second C, which is curation. So, with curation, it involves AI sorting, filtering, and ranking existing content. Now, it aids in prioritizing tasks like ranking risks or filtering your CV and recommending learning modules. This process streamlines your workflow, saves you time when it comes to inbox management and document searches. So, again, it can recommend the next learning module or article, and it can tag and group lessons learned across projects in an organization. So, AI with curation is valuable, especially when it comes to finding, prioritizing, and organizing content that you already have. That is curation. Next, we're going to look at clarification. So now we look at clarification. With clarification, it's about answering questions and explaining what is unclear. So AI's role as an on-demand expert is basically what happens when it comes to clarification. It simplifies complex topics. It explains everything from your contract clauses to things like your Python errors and so on. So you would see it in action, decoding legal terms, explaining, Prince2 processes and onboarding team members within your organization. For people who deliver work or projects, it transforms what will be confusion into immediate understanding. So there's so many things that when it comes to clarification, it can do in that sense. It turns, I'll Google it later into I understand it now, pretty much. That is clarification. Then next, we'd look at cognition. So for cognition, it's about reasoning, predicting, and supporting decisions. It involves analyzing patterns, forecasting outcomes, and recommending any decisions that need to be made. You'll see it in forecasting project completion dates, for example, detecting cost overruns, comparing design options, and spotting anomalies when it comes to data. In the workplace, if you're a project manager, for example, Cognition would act as a second brain that helps you with enhanced decision making. And basically, Cognition gives you that second brain, but you still make the call. But AI certainly helps us with this, and it's very valuable when it comes to cognition. Next, we're going to look at communication. AI in communication transforms messages for diverse audiences. It can obviously translate languages, it can summarize meetings, it can rewrite for different tones as needed, and it can help you summarize lengthy meetings that you would want to summarize into bullet points and transcribe. It can translate and update for teams that are globally positioned. It can transcribe your calls and so on. So quite a number of things there. Summarizing a 90-minute meeting into key actions could be one of the things that it would do. For project managers, it prevents repetitive explanations and it enhances efficiency. So communication is definitely where AI saves you from re-explaining the same thing 5 times again and again. And of course, we're going to look at the last C, which is coordination after this. Coordination. Now, this is where AI becomes an orchestrator. It can orchestrate workflows, tools, and AI agents. It acts as a conductor that orchestrates workflows and your tools. But of course, it automates tasks like updating your risk logs. It can manage project emails, and it can schedule meetings. Now, of course, multi-agent systems can handle complex processes. It can enhance efficiency. And in many cases, you'll see it auto-updating several of your documentation. With this, for project managers and in the workplace, mastering the 5 pillars is crucial before advancing into autonomous agents, which is the 6th, which is coordination. So coordination is the frontier. Get the first 5 right before you then chase the 6th one, which is AI agents. Great. So now you have explored the 6 C's of AI use in the workplace. Number 1, creation, where we make new content, or AI helps us make new content. Number 2, curation, where AI helps us with sorting and ranking what exists. Number 3 is clarification, where AI helps us with explaining and simplifying. Number 4 is cognition, where AI helps us with reasoning and deciding. And number 5 is communication, where AI helps us with translating and summarizing. And number 6 is coordination, where AI helps us with orchestrating workflows. Now, each plays a vital role in AI and project delivery and in the workplace altogether. Stay informed with the delivery leader. This channel will provide as much information, especially in the workplace when it comes to AI, as possible. You can get more insights. So subscribe and keep on coming back for anything around leadership, around the workplace, delivery, and the likes. Like, share, and subscribe. See you again in another video. Thank you very much.